You gonna follow Noah, Ty? Ty. Look at Noah.
Noah.
Go get Noah. Come on. Look at Noah.
I'm getting that cutie wet.
You gonna go in the water? Go in there.
Oh my God.
Tyler. Look. You gonna go in the water?
Nope.
Whoa, Ty!
Hello, squirt.
Is that fun?
Squirt.
Go ahead. Let's see you go.
Not squirt. No. You keep squirting. That's my fish.
Is that fun?
I will win. I get stronger water now.
Here comes Noah.
Get stronger water. Now we have double water.
There's Noah.
Woohoo. There's double water.
You gonna poke him?
Gonna poke him? Huh? Gonna poke him? Super water. Okay.
Go.
Eat the leaves.
Noah, you didn't learn your lesson?
Nope.
Ty, look at Noah. You want to get in there with Noah? Come here.
No.
Huh? Is that fun? Go ahead. Hey, boo. Let me see you go. Let me see you go.
You like babies?
Whee!
How old are you? 6. What's your name?
Is that fun? Do you want to come to Mama? Or are you okay?
How many brothers or sisters?
You done?